赤い。
red,
じゃあ次、黒い。
black,
楽しい。
enjoyable,
明日何をしますか？
友達と大阪城へ行きます。
そうですか。私は先週行きました。
どんなところですか？
とても綺麗なところですよ。そして静かです。
じゃあ答えは？
大阪城は綺麗です。そして賑やかです。
うん。
So, tinanong si Karina-san kung ano yung gagawin niya tomorrow. Sabi ni Karina-san is pupunta siya ng friend niya and siya sa Osaka Castle.
どんな料理が嫌いですか？ Okay, どうして日本で勉強しますか？ano yung pinaka...病気ですから。Oh, pwede yun. Anything na nagre-reason out, kalalagyan mo lang siya ng kara.
Is studying, living, and working in Japan part of your wish list? Wish granted with Beyond a Visa and Educational Consultancy Services. We are a student visa consultancy firm that assists young professionals on how to study in Japan through our work and study program. We provide transparency in our program, having a company owner who has been in Japan on a student visa program for 2 years, studying the Japanese language. Our friendly staff also speaks Japanese and will guide you through the entire application process. Our partner language schools in Japan are accommodating. Free one-on-one orientation over the phone may be provided. We also offer private online tutorial in Japanese language and Japanese flashcards. We execute what we promise and only promise what we can deliver. Be the next Filipino student visa holder in Japan. Messages for more details.